Hi guys, you're welcome to God Academy. In this lesson, we'll be solving problem in magnetic circuits. Please, if this is the first time you're visiting this channel, kindly subscribe to support so that you get updated for future videos. The problem says that consider the circuit below. What is the value of our reluctance? What is the value of our reluctance? So, this is a very beautiful problem. Let's see how you're going to solve this problem. I have 1280 and I have 2080. Sorry, this is 80. Okay. Now, this is our hot F, electromotive force. I have 1280, which is my F across this section, and I don't know my F across this section. This is 1000 amperes per Weber. This is like your reluctance across this section. Please be used to the units, okay? So in our first section, let me make here A and let me make here B. So my RA is equal to 1000 amperes per Weber. My FA is equal to 12AT. I know of my RB, which I don't know. So the question is asking us to find RB, right? So what would be our FB? We don't know, right? How do you solve this problem? This is simply a voltage division problem. So a voltage drop across here and a voltage drop across here, since they are connected in series. Therefore, my FB is simply equal to my F minus FA. That is 20 minus what? 12. That gives me 8 ampere turns. So therefore, 8 ampere turns is deposited here. Once I have the 8 ampere turns, what do? I simply have to find my R. But to find my R, remember the formula. F is equal to our magnetic flux times what? Our R. I know my R, I know my F. How do I find my magnetic flux? Sorry, I don't know my R, right? But I can find my hot magnetic flux from here. Since they are in series, they say magnetic flux will pass through. So using the magnetic Ohm's law, which I have here, I'll have my flux to be equal to my F over my hot reluctance for A. So FA over RA, which I know then. So it is 12 over what? 1000. And that is giving me 0.012 Weber. So the same 0.012 Weber passes through this section. Therefore, is the same for everything. And I can say that my second Ohm's law becomes my FB is equal to the same magnetic flux times my hot RB. Since I need RB, it becomes my FB over my hot magnetic flux. My FB is simply what? 8 ampere turn over my flux 0.012. And this should give us 666.67. So enter this into the calculator. So you have a fraction of 8 out of 0.012. That's 666.67, right? This should give us what? Ampere over what? Weber, as simple as. So this is how we solve a magnetic circuit problem. See you in our future tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and you share.